Yo, what is up, everybody? It's your boy, Boostlety, and let me tell you something. Are you tired of the 9-to-5 grind? Looking to boost your income from the comfort of your home? Dude, me too. That's why in this video, we're diving headfirst into 10 exciting ways to make money online. We're talking side hustles, passion projects, the whole 9 yards. And to make things super clear and crazy engaging, we're using InVideo.ai for some killer animations. You don't want to miss this. Alright, first up, let's talk freelancing. This is the ultimate side hustle for anyone with a marketable skill. Writing, graphic design, video editing, you name it, there's someone out there willing to pay for it. And the best part? You're your own boss. Set your hours, choose your projects, work from anywhere. I've got friends making serious bank freelancing, traveling the world, living the dream. It's all about building your portfolio, hustling for those first few gigs, and delivering top-notch work. We're going to break down freelancing step by step, using InVideo.ai to bring each stage to life. Trust me, it's going to be epic. Next up, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing. Ever wondered how those YouTubers and bloggers make money by recommending products? That's affiliate marketing in a nutshell. Basically, you partner with a brand, promote their products or services to your audience, and earn a commission on every sale made through your unique referral link. Sounds simple, right? It is, but there's a strategy to it. You gotta find the right products for your niche, build trust with your audience, and create engaging content that drives conversions. Don't worry, we'll break it all down with real-life success stories and actionable steps you can take today. Now, if you're passionate about a subject and love helping others learn, online tutoring might be your calling. With platforms like Schooly and TutorMe, you can connect with students all over the world and teach them everything from math and science to music and languages. The earning potential is huge and you get to make a real difference in people's lives. Plus, who wouldn't want to relive their school days without actually having to go back to school? Get ready for some seriously engaging animations as we walk you through setting up your online tutoring profile, finding students, and delivering killer lessons. Alright, this one's for all the creatives out there. Content creation. Whether you're a natural in front of the camera or a master wordsmith, there's a platform out there for you to share your passion and make bank doing it. From YouTube and Instagram to Twitch and TikTok, the possibilities are endless. The key is to find your niche, create high-quality content consistently, and engage with your audience like crazy. It takes time and dedication, but the rewards can be massive. We'll show you how to build a loyal following, monetize your content, and turn your passion into a full-time gig. Ever dreamt of running your own online store without the hassle of managing inventory? That's dropshipping, my friend. You create an online store, partner with a dropshipping supplier, and list their products on your site. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles everything from packaging to shipping. You focus on marketing and customer service. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that's perfect for aspiring entrepreneurs. We'll show you how to find winning products, set up your store, and start raking in those sweet, sweet sales. Don't underestimate the power of the written word. Blogging is alive and well, and it can be a lucrative way to share your thoughts, expertise, and cat pictures with the world. The key is to find your niche, create valuable content that ranks well in search engines, and monetize your blog through ads, affiliate links, and sponsored content. It takes time to build a loyal audience, but once you do, the possibilities are endless. We'll show you how to choose a blogging platform, craft engaging articles, and turn your blog into a money-making machine. Here's a beautiful thing about the digital age. You can create something once and sell it an unlimited number of times. That's the power of digital products. Ebooks, online courses, stock photos, music, the list goes on and on. If you have knowledge or skills to share, packaging them into a digital product can be incredibly lucrative. We'll walk you through the entire process, from brainstorming ideas to marketing your digital masterpiece to the masses. Calling all shutterbugs. Did you know you can turn your photography hobby into a source of passive income? Stock photo websites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto are constantly on the lookout for high-quality images to license to businesses and individuals. If you've got an eye for composition and a knack for capturing stunning shots, this could be your ticket to financial freedom. We'll share tips for taking marketable photos, choosing the right stock photo platform, and maximizing your earnings. This one's for all the tech-savvy hustlers out there. App development can be a challenging but incredibly rewarding field. With billions of smartphone users worldwide, the demand for innovative and useful apps is higher than ever. Whether you're an experienced coder or just starting out, there are tons of resources available to help you bring your app idea to life. We'll discuss different app monetization strategies, from in-app purchases to subscription models, and show you how to get your app in front of millions of potential users. In today's digital age, every business needs a strong social media presence. That's where social media marketers come in. If you've got a knack for crafting engaging content, building online communities, and navigating the ever-changing world of social media algorithms, this could be the perfect side hustle for you. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for experienced social media managers who can help them increase brand awareness, drive traffic to their website, and ultimately boost sales. We'll share tips for finding clients, creating winning social media strategies, and building a successful social media marketing business. So there you have it, guys. 10 awesome ways to boost your income online. Whether you're looking for a side hustle to supplement your income or a full-blown online business, there's something on this list for everyone. Which method are you most interested in trying? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more epic content like this. Keep hustling, stay focused, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.